legit. Anything you want.
Ripple, XRP, still has time for a comeback. So far, 2018 has been a very bad year for Ripple, XRP. The crypto's rise at the end of 2017 has been extremely promising, but in the following months, the coin continued to go further and further down. However, there is still time for Ripple to make a comeback and make significant gains. Large hopes for Ripple, XRP. Everything seemed to be fine with Ripple back in December 2017. Just like other cryptos, XR skyrocketed and became one of the most popular coins on the market. In fact, it even managed to pass Ethereum, ETH, and many believed that it will become Bitcoin's, BTC, direct competitor. Many believed that Ripple is to become the top currency in no time. Some even claimed that it is still way too early for fully decentralized currencies to dominate the market and that Ripple is the way to go. Its nature and situation have made it extremely popular, not only with crypto investors but also with financial institutions and some of the largest banks around the world. Ripple has been making partnerships all over the place, and almost every week has seen some sort of positive development. Names like Western Union, Santander, MoneyGram, Bank of America, and alike all hurry to partner up with this coin. The price of the crypto was expected to continue to rise, and nobody hesitated to jump on the XRP train, while it was still early. Some predictions even stated that it is only a matter of time when Ripple will jump from 20 cents per coin to the price of Bitcoin. Such an increase, while astronomical, was always a possibility when it comes to the crypto world. Unfortunately, it never came to be, and it was all downhill from there for XRP. And then everything changed soon enough. Ripple went down, and a lot. After it reached a price of $3.40 per unit, it quickly fell to 18 cents as soon as the crypto prices dropped at the beginning of the year. However, a lot of investors still believe that Ripple can, and will, make a large comeback by the end of the year. Despite the low price, XRP still stands as one of the cryptos with the highest number of token holders. Basically, this means that people have not given up on Ripple yet, and many are waiting for the market to turn. Once it happens, some believe that Ripple will beat its former top price, and maybe even go as high as $10 per coin. This is, of course, significantly lower than the predictions that Ripple's price will reach Bitcoin's. However, even so, it would still be better than for Ripple to stay at its current price of $0.435990. Fortunately for all these investors, Ripple seems to be doing well lately, and its charts are indicating that the crypto might finally be on a stable and serious rise again. This goes for the US dollar, as well as Bitcoin, BTC. The charts are actually relatively similar, and if Ripple continues on the current path, the coin might even be restored to its former glory before the year ends. Despite the controversy and lawsuits that claim that Ripple is a security, which is something that its team continues to deny, the coin still holds the third place as per coin market cap. Various partnerships and several products that Ripple has released continue to guarantee that the crypto is, in fact, needed on a large scale. The coin's work on enabling better cross-border transactions is one of the strongest reasons for many to believe that Ripple will stick around and that its price will eventually make a comeback. Bitcoin, BTC, Ripple, XRP, and Ethereum, ETH. Over the last year was one of the biggest years for cryptocurrencies as a whole. They entered the mainstream in a big way, especially Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Ripple, XRP. They gained a lot of exposure, especially around December when Bitcoin reached its all-time high of $20,000. The website ATH Coin Index shows the growth of cryptocurrencies over the year. In a space of time where the overall market cap grew from $99 billion on 5th of July 2017 to $273 billion on 5th of July 2018, it is interesting to see how individual cryptocurrencies have evolved in price. Surprisingly, Stellar Lumens, XLM, is the biggest gainer over the year, with a whopping 699% of growth over the period. Stellar's year was star-studded, featuring a partnership with IBM Blockchain. It was trading at around 2 cents at this time last year and is currently trading at 20 cents. Coming in second place for the biggest gainer was the sleeping giant NEO, with a 364% growth over the period. Hailed as China's Ethereum, the coin grew from a price of $7.95 last year, hitting a high of $187.41 in January. It is currently at $41.52. IOTA, came in third place, with a growth of 189%. The coin was trading at around 37 cents at the same time last year, spiking up to $5.37 in December before falling to its current price of $1.17. Bitcoin, the market leader, comes in closely behind IOTA with a growth rate of 150%. Its rise and fall are very well documented, from a price of $2,530 in July 2017 to its current price of $6,684. The XRP token also saw a respectable gain of 90% since last year, from a price of 25 cents to an all-time high of $3.33. It is currently trading at 48 cents. Ethereum and Litecoin, LTC, saw growths of 70% and 54% respectively. Ethereum was trading at around $263 last year, reaching a high of $1,397 in January. It is currently trading at $475. Litecoin, on the other hand, was trading at around the $50 mark before it saw a sharp spike in December to $359. It is currently trading at $84. Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin are last coins standing defying crypto death pool. Analysts' reports reveal that the Bitcoin bubble has perhaps burst, with over 800 cryptocurrencies having died because of crash in prices of coins, down to less than a cent. Many of them were scams and did not come into existence as real products. The only coins which have managed to survive the big wave of the price slide have been coins such as Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ripple. The reason for these coins to have failed in the markets is their skeletal technology. Most of these were just thoughts of promising profits which were written as white paper and offered in markets as ICO. These offers equal number of speculators riding the technology trend. Some of them were to make quick profits as far as the trend existed, while others wanted to explore new opportunities and speculated. Analysts have identified that the prices of these virtual coins has crashed beyond their reasonable expectations, crashing below 70%. The price trend for Bitcoin was very high in the early part of 2017, until it began to flatten towards the middle of the year before crashing by substantially by the end of the year. The sentiment was largely bearish and cryptocurrencies survived their strengths. ICO-Tech. The advantage with cryptocurrencies is that developers can offer or present their initial idea of the coin through a technical document called ICO, which gives a roadmap with respect to how the coin will develop. Other forecasts for the coin are also made. Hence, it is essentially a financial technology document which investors will consider before they invest in the coin. The funds collected from such ICOs are then used to further develop the blockchain technology and eventually the coins. Thus, the scenario is very similar to a technology startup, but investors in ICO become owners of coins which could gain high profits after they are traded on exchanges, eventually. In this background, the number of ICOs in the past year and a half has exceeded $3.8 billion and in mid-2018, have already crossed the $11.9 billion mark. Bitcoin, the fair-weather coin, the biggest coin to be traded in 2017-18, has been Bitcoin and is the poster child of the cryptocurrency industry. Its market capitalization has been the strongest thus far, though this year has been tough for the currency. The bearish trend headed further south due to the latest South Korean exchange hacks. The ICOs have been risky investment and many of them fraudulent in their character. One of the most talked about scam in ICO has been Giza. It was a fake startup and it was successful in $2 million hack of investor money. The public offerings as well as venture capital funding have been the bane of the cryptocurrency system. With many companies being able to build attractive and lucrative ICOs, the UN-informed investor has lost out in the biggest financial bubble burst of the year.